A for apple, shiny and red. B for banana, a monkey's bread. C for cat who purrs with glee. D for dog, running free. E for elephant, strong and tall. F for fig, the sweetest of all. G for grapes, green and round. H for hen, where chicks are found. I for iguana, green as a leaf. J for jackfruit, big and chief. K for kiwi, fuzzy and small. L for lion, the king of them all. N for mango, juicy and sweet. N for nightingale, whose song is a treat. O for owl, awake at night. P for peacock, dancing bright. Q for quail, tiny and quick. R for rabbit, hopping slick. S for strawberry, red delight. T for tiger, with stripes so bright. U for umbrella, bird, feathers grand. V for vulture, gliding the land. W for watermelon, cool and sweet. X for xeris, a squirrel so neat. Y for yak with long soft hair. Z for zebra with streaks so rare.
Subscribe for more videos.